Now that your patient has received their VitalWrap system, the first thing they're going to notice when they open the box is a quick guide to setup. They want to make sure that they keep that in a safe place for future reference. There are 4 components to your patient's system. There's our control unit, our hospital-grade power cord, our blue tubing connector set, and our VitalPad. During the initial setup, we want to remove the lid. We remove the lid by pulling the handle to the back of the control unit, lifting the lid off, and removing our red dip tube covers and discarding them. Before we replace our lid, we want to fill our bucket with water. The important thing is you want to make sure that your patient uses room temperature water. They don't want to use hot water. Hot water can damage your control unit. On the front of the bucket, it is clearly marked with a min and a max level setting. You want to make sure that you fill it up with room temperature water above the minimum setting. We're then going to replace our lid, lining up the arrow on the front of the lid with the arrow on the front of the bucket. Secure your lid by pulling the handle back over the top of the cover. We're now ready to connect our hospital-grade power cord. We're going to remove our power cord cover and connect the power cord to the back of your control unit. You're now ready to safely plug the unit into the wall. Next, we're going to connect our blue tubing connector set. The blue tubing connector set is a universal set. It can be connected either side to the control unit and either side to your VitalPad. There is a dot on your tubing set and a dot on your control unit. You want to line up the dots and push them in until they click into place. We're then ready to connect our VitalPad, again by lining up the dots and pushing them together until they connect. They will snap into place, and when you're ready to remove your VitalPad from your control unit, you press the top and bottom buttons at the same time to disconnect your Vital.